Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to compliment someone on Bumble. Now let's begin. Do note that I've already installed Bumble and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. I'm gonna open up Bumble right now, and let's say I want to compliment this person because this person is really beautiful. Well, here's how you do it. At the bottom left, right here, you'll see a button like this. Inside the button is a heart-like icon. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Here's the text box. Type whatever you wish. And once you've entered it, here's the button right here in yellow. Click on it. And there you go. Your compliment has been sent. Well guys, it's as easy as that. That's how you send a compliment to someone in Bumble. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.